What? Because I just balanced every single light switch in the house in the middle. And I'm like, ooh, just come here, look. Drew, come here. You know, just balancing every single light switch in the middle. And then, yeah, every single light switch in the house is in the middle. No, I didn't see that one. Now that one's in the middle. This is the hard one. There we go. In the middle. Shut up. It's in the middle now. You have to put it back in the middle. Oh, I forgot one.
Did you do the basement?
No. Just a second.
He lied!
Shut up! It's for the views.
He's just for clickbait! He lied! He's a fraud!
Shut the hell up.
He's a fraud!
Shut up, Drew. Yay, now they're all in the middle. Oh, I'll just do Drew's too. I don't think he wants me to do his one though. But I don't care. I must do it. Come on. Yeah, that's all. Yeah.